Let's look at an example on the applications of Chebyshev's inequality. Chebyshev's inequality can be used with any data set, whether or not it is a bell-shaped. If you are applying the Chebyshev's inequality, 75% of the data will be within 2 standard deviation of the mean and 88.9% of the data will be 3 standard deviation of the mean. Let's look at an example. The temperature in a certain location was recorded each day for 2 months. The mean temperature was 66.1 with standard deviation 8.3. What can you determine about this data by using Chebyshev's inequality with k equal 3? First compute mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma. Since k equal 3, we can conclude that at least 88.9% of the days had temperature between 41.2 degree Fahrenheit and 91 degree Fahrenheit.